Hi guys, this is Raju from Futaucon Tek. I'm a product engineer here. So we have come with a solution for production drawing. Like production drawings are now getting automatically drawn. So conventionally what will happen, a design engineer will make a 3D model. From there itself, from here, he will be making a production drawing, creating views, creating every detailing. But now we have a automation tool which creates production drawing 20x faster and without errors and cost efficient as well. So let's go into the demo. So we have a drawing automation software. So we start with the 3D model. 3D model is our input. We will just take the 3D model. From here, we are getting a complete detailing for production readiness. Okay. So all detail, like for example, GD&Ts, feature control frames, radius, hole callouts, everything will come. So now with our software, your design engineers can focus on creative innovation things rather than creating repetitive drawings.
Okay. So basically this software converts 3D model to 2D, right?
Yes, 3D models into not just 2D, into production ready drawing.
Production ready drawing.
With zero redundancy and 100% accuracy.
Okay. How much time it will take?
Roughly it takes 3 to 5 minutes. In conventional it would have taken 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah, so we are 20x faster and without errors.
Without errors.
Yes.
What is the cost of the software?
So we start with 30,000 per year.
30,000 per year. Okay. And okay, where this will be primarily used in manufacturing industry?
Yes, in manufacturing, like companies who are making conveyors, automation industries, like material handling tools.
Okay.
Those people who has more number of drawing to make, more number of product to make, they will be requiring our products.
Okay. Anybody is using it already?
So we have released our product 2 weeks back.
Okay.
So we have our pilot customers, and there are a lot of people who are using its trial.
Okay.
So and a 30 days trial version is also available. Okay. So anyone can try it out.
Okay. So this is from IIT, like incubation.
So we have been backed by IIT. Like we have collaboration with IIT. We have been in IIT Madras Incubation Center. We are based in IIT Madras Research Center.
Okay. IITM Research Park. Scan this one. This is for brochure, right?
Yeah, this is for brochure, and the left one is for product number.
Okay. So if I scan, I will get it automatically.
Yes.
Very good.
Thank you.
Your name?
My name is Raju again, product engineer at Futaucon Tek.
Thank you.
அதுதான் வந்து உங்களுக்கான ட்ராயிங்ஸ் கொடுக்கும். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள் HVACயில் நீங்கள் ஒரு என்க்ளோசர் பண்ணுறீங்க, ஃபஸ்ட்டு 3D மாடல் போடுவீங்க, அதுக்கப்புறம் அதை 2D பண்ணணும், ஏன்னா ப்ரொடக்ஷன் நீங்கள் கொடுக்கணும். இந்த வேலையை உங்கள் இன்ஜினியர்ஸ் நம்ம கன்வென்ஷன் பண்ணாங்கன்னா 1 hour ஆகும். இது less than minutes. ஏன்னா இது வந்து எல்லாமே கால்குலேஷன்ஸ் உள்ள பின்னாடி நம்ம அல்காரிதம் பில்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். அதை 3D மாடலை ரீட் பண்ணி அதுக்கு என்ன டைமென்ஷன்ஸ் பண்ணணுமோ அது கொடுக்கும். ஓகே. ClickDrawங்கிறது சாஃப்ட்வேர்.